In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a course template. So go to Templates, Courses, and Add New Course Template. Now the only field on this form that's required is the course name. Everything else is optional. So we can choose learning method and also accreditation. Now when you use Genius, this list will be empty. We need to populate that, so we click add in the accrediting body information in here. That will populate the drop menu for you, and then you can select. We can select a renewal course, and this is based off our previous course templates. We can choose a course calendar colour. So when we look at our diary, this course will be shown in this colour. We can enter the course duration in days, the default start and end times. Then we have some joining instructions information. So Genius builds joining instructions based on information that we enter into the templates. So we can enter this information here. If you integrate Genius with your website, you can enter information here, and all of this information is displayed on your website and on the Genius LMS to allow customers to book training directly with you. We've also got the Genius Sales Network. There are other tutorial videos explaining that, but this is where we choose which category this course template would drop into on the Genius Sales Network. We can also enter the price, and we have a VAT exempt button. So if you're VAT registered, but if this particular course template is VAT exempt, that's when you would check that box, and then add course template.